little yipping noise. Cody, make a yip noise.
Yep. Make him do that again. I'm taping him.
I don't know how.
What? Neither do I. Just do it again. Whatever you guys did.
I didn't do
I think they're responding to the
That's
big bird.
funny. That's funny if the tiny ears I could sing help, then those ones start right. One's right there. One just left.
At the San Antonio Zoo, they have like one that
That
looks
one's
like
going
that,
through the
but
hole
it's
too.
like this freaking big.
Oh, it was staring at me.
Oh,
look how cute they are.
They look like oversized gerbils to me.
These?
Yeah.
Yeah, they
No,
kind of
but that
do.
thing, I'm serious.
Wow!
The thing was
It
like
just
this
bit
big,
the
by
dirt
like
and
that
now it
high.
ate the dirt.
Nice.
Just like that.
It mostly
that was.
ate
I don't
anything.
remember.
Reminds me of a chipmunk.
What, like a muskrat?
It was huge.
Oh my god.
It's bigger.
But I don't foresee me going to Texas for like any purpose ever again.
What if I get a job in Texas?
Who's gonna pop through? That one.
It better not be